In this problem, we need to determine whether each relation represents a function or not. The function is the type of relation. We can say that the function is the relation between x and y, the input and the output. For each input, there is exactly one output. So we can say that in question number 13. The input is the student ID, and the output is the score in physics exam. Once you write the student ID, you will find only one score. Then this relation represents a function, because for each input, there is exactly one output. But in question number 14, the input is the area code, and the output is the phone number. Once you write the area code, you will find that there is many phone numbers. So this relation is not function, because each input connected with more than one output. In question 15, we have another way of writing relation. One of the ways of writing relation, which is called the equation. You will find that y to the power 2 minus 2x equals 15. At the first, I will solve for y. So shift 2x to the other side by adding 2x. So y to the power 2 equals positive 2x plus 5. Once we have power 2 to shift to the other side, it will be positive or negative the square root. Then y will be equals positive or negative the square root of 2x plus 5. For each one value of x, there is two values of y. To understand that, let x equals 2. Then y will be equals positive or negative the square root 2 multiplied by 2 plus 5. Then y is equal positive or negative 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 5 equals 9. The square root of 9, which equals 3. You will find that once x equals 2, one of the answer is 3 and the other answer will be negative 3. Then you will find that 2 is connected with two numbers. For each input, there is two outputs. It means this relation is not a function. But in question number 16, if I need to solve for y, then 3y will be equals to negative 6x plus 18. Then I will divide by 3. Then y will be equals to negative 2x plus 6. For each value of x, there is exactly one value of y. So this relation is a function. Now we have another type of relation. We can write the relation numerically by using the table. To find if the relation is a function or not by using the table, look at x. If you didn't find any repeated value for x, it means this relation is a function. But in question number 18, you will find that there is two repeated values for x. So this relation is not function. In question 19, we have another way of writing relations. You can represent the relation by graph. To identify if the relation is a function or not by using the graph, use the vertical line test. Once you draw the vertical line intersecting the graph at two vertical points, it means this relation is not function. For any graph, to identify if this relation is a function or not, use the vertical line test. If the line intersects the graph at more than one point, so this relation is not function. But in question number 20, you will find that the line is intersecting the graph at exactly one point. Then we can say that this relation is a function.